In Duxbury, the National Guard is now going door to door to do welfare checks on people following the storm. WBZ's Parseghian is live for us in Duxbury tonight. And Aaron, amazing to think there are some people who just haven't left their homes in days.
Yeah, David, and all throughout Duxbury, you can see massive piles of snow like the ones behind me. It was feet of that heavy, wet stuff that buried roads here, and part of the reason the National Guard was called in to help.
Diane Lilly has been shoveling for literal days.
My goal when I retired was to go to Aruba and rake the sand. I didn't do it, I should have.
Her Duxbury road just plowed for the first time after the town was pummeled with feet of snow on Monday.
You can see these piles. This is what it's like all around town. So it makes it difficult. So trying to take a truck out like this is very, very difficult at this point.
Duxbury Fire Chief and Emergency Management Director Rob Reardon says the heavy wet snow has been a challenge for plows and even first responders in one of the busiest weeks he can remember.
Normally an average day is 10 to 12 calls a day, but we're easily tripling that, 30, 50 calls a day.
And assisting here in Duxbury are soldiers with the Massachusetts National Guard. We hopped in as they ran welfare checks looking to assist seniors.
A lot of our vehicles are able to traverse some pretty tough terrain, and that includes some heavy snow and ice in getting to some hard to access areas to either check on or help evacuate residents that needed assistance.
Locals say their service has been invaluable. Mid-blizzard, one soldier even helped repair the generator a dispatch center was running on.
They've been running calls with us, getting through snow drifts, helping people get out of houses, clearing paths. Incredible.
An all-hands-on effort to restore some sense of normalcy to this South Shore town.
You know, we're here to support the Commonwealth for as long as we're needed.
And many around here are thankful for the progress made on the roads and the work to get the power back on. Just 1% of customers in Duxbury are still without power tonight. They're also thankful, David, for the sunshine that they saw all day today, hopefully starting to tack away at some of these snow piles that they're seeing around town. Live in Duxbury tonight, Parseghian, WBZ News.
All right, Aaron, and glad you mentioned that because there is some good